What documents prove a tax-dependent foreign ITIN? Imagine trying to get a special number for someone in your family to help with taxes. That number is called an Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, or ITIN. To get this number for a family member, you need to show proof they are your dependent. But what exactly do you need to submit? Let's go through the main documents that prove a person is your dependent for an ITIN application. First, you need proof of who they are and their foreign status. The most common document is a passport. If the passport shows the person's name, photo, date of birth, and U.S. entry date, it works well. For dependents from Mexico or Canada, a passport might not be necessary, but it's usually the easiest proof. Other acceptable documents include a national identification card that shows their name, photo, address, date of birth, and expiration date. You can also use a foreign voter registration card, foreign military ID, or a visa issued by the U.S. Department of State. If the person has a photo ID from U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, that can also be used. Next, you need to prove that the dependent lives in the United States during the tax year. This is important because it helps determine if they qualify for certain tax credits. Acceptable proof includes school records like report cards or enrollment letters that list the child's name and U.S. address. Medical records for children under 6 that show their name and address can also work. Any official document that shows the person lived in the U.S. during the year can be used. A birth certificate is usually required to prove the relationship if you don't have a U.S. entry passport. It shows the child's name, date of birth, and parentage. If you are applying for a dependent under 18 and they cannot sign the application, a parent or guardian can fill out and sign Form W-7, which is the application for the ITIN. Usually, you also need to include a federal income tax return with the Form W-7 unless there is a specific exception. Remember, always submit original documents or certified copies from the issuing agency. These are documents that the government or official agency has verified as true copies. Keep copies of everything you send for your records. If you need your documents back quickly, you can visit an IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center or work with a certifying acceptance agent who can verify your documents and return them to you. By providing these documents, you help the IRS see that your dependent qualifies for an ITIN. This can help you claim important tax benefits like the child tax credit or other deductions. Make sure all documents are current, clear, and show the necessary information. This way, your application will be processed smoothly and your family can get the support they need.